Okay guys, today we will talk about premium rate numbers, premium rate SMS, voice numbers and things like that. So I think a lot of people know already that there is arbitrage opportunities. So arbitrage means you buy you buy something for cheap and sell something for more you bought. So for example, you can find company like MediaTel. It's premium rate numbers. They provide premium rate numbers and they are work as resellers. There are many such companies, but I recommend you to work with trusted ones. So what you can do? So for example, you can find companies what provide premium rate numbers. Yeah. So here it is, premium SMS. Yes. So in order to see short numbers, you need to usually register first, and after that you will see a list of premium rate numbers. They got many countries, so I recommend you to check it out. Yeah, as well, you can see that they provide many numbers, many destinations. So actually what you need to do is get these numbers and find services what offer free, not free but cheap SMS, and test them out. So simply create account like here, or simply use Google, type something like bulk SMS. Yeah, and you'll find many providers where you can buy these SMS routes. So here it is. Yeah, as well you can put as in caller ID, put this premium rate number SMS, and create like a chat, like SMS chat for so people will reply to that number and you will earn a small income like this. So guys, as you can see, a really simple way on how to generate traffic for premium SMS. So if you want, you can try it. Just join this account, join this website, get your routes and start testing them out, and let me know in comment section below if you have any questions about this premium rate numbers, premium rate business.